Okay, this is the blizzard of 2011 aftermath, February 2nd, 2011. Took me about 3 hours to clean this out this morning. As you can see, I got some berms here, about 4 feet tall or so. And at the end of my driveway, that was a whole lot of fun. That's about 5 feet. I think the plows gave up a long time ago, but at least I cleared some area over here. But pretty much impassable. And here's the fence on my west side of the house. Try to make a path for the dogs, I should say. And then I got to the backyard here and got up to about here and then gave up because my backyard's got about 4 feet of snow in it. Not quite sure how that happened, but I don't think we'll be going back here anytime soon.